Hi guys, today we can see the supply from Corsair. I buy it from Eprice. Eprice is the shop online from Italy. You can open. Okay, it's Corsair CXM 750 M. M is modular. It's good, more modular, because you can. I have another of this supply, but it's not modular. It's with cave. You can open and close. Oh, hi, my cat. And you can open it. Okay. 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 Inside you can find warranty, manual, cave, the cave for more used, this tools is for I don't know the words in English, for create the together the cave and supply. You can see it's modular. Modular, you can apply your cave when you are in need, and it's not important to have more cave around the case. It's good because if you don't have more cave around the case on your chassis, the airflow is very good, and you can travel without problem inside. Is your fresh air inside your case. It's good for your process, it's good for your motherboard, and etc., etc., etc.